Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to organize app screen or app drawer in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to organize or customize your app screen or app drawer, so let's see how can you do that. Just swipe up your screen and you'll get app drawer here. Now let's see how can you organize it. You can organize it in different ways that you can easily change the position of the specific app. Here I'm going to set this here, and if you want to create folder just like that, so you can easily create that. So then let's see how. Just select any app and then put it on the other app just like that. If you want to create folder, just select the app and then tap on select option. Now select different app which you want to create a folder, then tap on this create a folder option, so it will automatically create a folder for that apps. So here are the way, and the second way is that you can easily put them to alphabetical sort. So let's see how. Just tap on three dots here, then tap on sort option, then select alphabetical order. Once you have selected, you now have only one page from where you can easily access all of your apps. So that's how you can easily organize app screen in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.